good afternoon / evening because it is 4 o'clock now, and me, Paige, and Cody were just like hanging out, going on a little hikey type path thing at this park. And I think we're gonna take some pictures, play little Pokemon.
Say it, but I'll find them over time. There's no way to show it, but I'm gonna try for the rest of my life. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe, I'm missing piece, wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. My daylight sky blue.
So we made it to a spot with some water. It's really, really pretty. And earlier it was really, really cold and it felt like fall. But now that we started walking, I'm feeling pretty warm. Paige is taking some pictures. I got her to take some Instagram pictures for me. Look how neat this looks. That is literally the water, like reflecting on the tree. That's so cool. It's like a disco light.
For you, 'cause you are the best part of me, the best part of me. Time can't fade.
So I'm really bright and squinty, but we're just chilling on some rocks. Paige is taking some pictures over there. I should probably be careful not to drop my phone in the water. I like this lighting because my hair always looks really purple. But yeah, it's nice. I really want to like go swimming now because it's all hot, but I won't have time because I have rehearsal tonight at 7. And I'll probably have to like go to that like right when we come back. Goldfishies.